know about the definition of alpha cut of a fuzzy set and strong alpha cut of a fuzzy set. Let me explain the definition, that is definition of alpha cut and strong alpha cut. Given a fuzzy set A in X and any real number alpha belongs to closed interval 0, 1, that is the arbitrary element alpha belongs to closed interval 0, 1, then the alpha cut or alpha level cut or cut worthy set of A, whatever the prescribed book follows, denoted by alpha A, is the crisp set that contains all the elements of the universal set X whose membership grades in A are greater than or equal to the specified value of alpha. Let me understand easily by this notation. Alpha A is equal to X belongs to X, universal set X, such that membership grade mu A of X is greater than or equal to alpha. This is the definition of alpha cut. And coming to strong alpha cut, the strong alpha cut denoted by alpha plus A is the crisp set. That means alpha plus A is equal to X belongs to X such that mu A of X is strictly greater than alpha. This is the definition of alpha cut and strong alpha cut. Let me explain with the example, the same example followed by the previous video. The first one is a age, that is a X, universal set X. These are all the A1, A2, A3, A4, infant, kids, young and old are the categories of fuzzy set. Already I explained in the previous video the first definition, alpha cut, that is alpha A is equal to X belongs to X such that mu A of X is greater than or equal to alpha. Let me choose alpha is equal to 0 in 3, whatever the value we can choose for alpha. And also A is A3. Here we have four different categories of fuzzy set. So we can choose whatever we like to choose. I choose the A3, that is a young for A. So we can apply these two values for the alpha cut definition. Alpha is 0.3 A3. Alpha cut set of A, that is 0.3 set of A3 is equal to greater than or equal to alpha. Alpha 0.3 is greater than or equal to 0.3. So the corresponding value of the crisp set, that is a universal set, is 15. So we can write the value 15. The next one 0.8. 0.8 is also greater than 0.3. So the corresponding value is 25. Next one is a 1. 1 is greater than 0.3. The corresponding value is 35. We can write the value 35. The next 0.6 is also greater than 0.3. The corresponding value is 45. 0.4 is obviously greater than 0.3. So the corresponding value of universal set is 55. So 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55 are greater than or equal to alpha, that is 0.3 from the fuzzy set A3. Then the same example followed by strong alpha cut. Alpha plus A is equal to X belongs to X such that mu A of X is greater than, strictly greater than alpha. Here also we can choose some value for alpha, the same value, that is 0.3. So only you can differentiate alpha cut and strong alpha cut. So 0. Same value 0.3 and A is also A3. 0.3 plus 0.3, that is strong alpha cut of A3 is equal to, so 0.3 is not coming to the strong alpha cut set because this is strictly greater than alpha. So above 0.3 value only we can consider. 0.8 is obviously greater than 0.3, that is 0.8 is corresponding value to the universal set is 25. We can write the value 25 here. Then next 1 is obviously greater than 0.3, so we can write the corresponding value for the universal set is 35. Next value is 0.6, the corresponding value is 45, and next one is 0.4, the corresponding value is 55. So the set is 25, 35, 45 and 55 or strictly greater than 0.3, that is alpha. Hope you all understand the definition of alpha cut and strong alpha cut. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing.